Sir, good morning ulit. I am First Lieutenant John Alexis Diap, Signal Corps Philippine Army, the Civil Military Operations Officer of 61st Infantry Hunter Battalion. So sa ngayon sir, nandito tayo sa Municipality of Tubungan sir, specifically sa boundaries ng Barangay Igtuble tsaka Barangay Igpao sir. So way back 2021 sir, we have conducted the community support program dito sa mga barangays ng Upland Tubungan sir, kasi ito talaga sir is naging mass base talaga ng ano sir ng Southern Front Committing Region Panay. So during that community support programs, madami tayong na-discover na mga political military structure ng NPA dito mismo sir sa mga barangay. So we have unearthed that sir, and na-find out natin sir na active yung recruitment, and to remind sir na meron silang scheme na ginagawa dito sa mga youth sir, which is pinapa-integrate nila sir. 3 months, sinasama nila sa bukid sir, tinuturuan. Then after 3 months sir, binababa nila sa barangay. Yun naman sir yung mga nagsiserve as mga milisyang bayan dito sa mga komunidad na ito sir. So historically sir, madaming ambushes, maraming mga tinanim na IED dito sa parte ng tubungan na ito sir. And ito talaga yung ano sir, kumbaga kung may pinaka-stronghold yung Committing Region Panay ng Southern Front, naging stronghold nila itong ano sir, boundaries ng Tubungan at saka ng Igpao sir. So luckily sir, no, nakakandak na tayo ng community support program with combined effort sir ng focus military operations, civil military operations, no. So na-clear natin sir yung mga yung mga CTG influence barangays dito sa part ng Tubungan sir. And as of now sir, yung Tubungan is CTG cleared and wala na tayong NPA sir, zero NPA. That is also sir with the help sa ating local government unit, no, kasi meron silang localized na integration program sir para sa mga former rebels natin sir, which is yung Project Rocket sir. So with that sir, nakita naman natin sir na from its history na kumbaga pugad ng terorismo sir, now we are gearing towards towards progress, kasi na reach na natin yung goal natin sir na to provide peace and stability dito sa area. And then the next goal sir is to promote naman yung tourism natin dito sa municipality of Tubungan, especially sir dito sa Barangay Igtuble and Barangay Igpao sir. Kasi kung nakikita nyo naman sir, yung view pa lang dito sir, no, yung very mountainous, and makikita natin na mahahalin tulad din natin siya sir as a summer capital, lalo na pag pag summer, kasi malamig talaga yung klima dito sir. And makikita naman natin sir na marami ding mga tourist attraction, lalo na sa mga view deck na meron dito sa Barangay Ituble and Barangay Igpao sir. And sir, to give justice dun sa mga efforts na ginawa both sa government and or sa Armed Forces of the Philippines and the local government unit, I am here with Ma'am Emeline Tano sir, the PESO coordinator of the Municipality of Leon sir, no, to give Tubungan sir, to give justice dun sa sir sa mga efforts ng kanilang local government unit with regards to FR and their tourism sir.
So thank you very much sir sa effort sa pag-visit dito sa amin, and now Tubungan is CTG cleared area, and the local government unit is initiating the effort on the reintegration of our former rebels and the sustainability ng kanilang pagbalik loob sa ating gobyerno. And we are now gearing towards the tourism, the employment, and the agricultural development services sa ating mga former rebels. So we are now initiating the community-based coffee shop and the agri-ecotourism livelihood project in partnership with the different national government agencies, no, in collaboration with the 61st Infantry Battalion. So our beneficiaries, of course, the Friends Tubungan chapter, it's a group of former rebels na nagbalik sa ating gobyerno in partnership with the farmers, no, na yung sa BFMA or Community-Based Forest Management Agreement or People's Organization, which is the Igtuble Farmers Association Incorporated. So yung dalawang grupo na to magtatayo dito ng isang proyekto, which is the production ng coffee, ng cacao at other fruit trees, kasi we are advocating, no, na maparami yung mga kahoy dito at saka yung nursery establishment, and after that they will go into processing yung mga naitanim nila na kape, and after that we will establish a coffee shop doon sa area na visit natin, no. So itong proyekto na to will be support, no, sa ating tourism development, ng tubong turismo ng Tubungan, and at the same time in support din sa Iloilo Provincial Government's turista ng barangay, at yung ating beneficiary, no, maka-provide, no, ng employment, no, ng support sa tourism, at the same time maparami din yung agricultural services dito sa bayan ng Tubungan. So with that, no, we are aiming, no, na maparami yung kape dito, makaprocess sila, at the same time we will serve our tourists na mapaganda yung pagbisita nila dito sa bayan ng Tubungan, na masasabi natin na wala ng terrorism, and hello to tourism. Maraming salamat po.
Napakaganda ng bayan niyo, madam. Para kang above the clouds talaga.
Yes po.
Above the clouds. Thank you very much. And anong timeline niyo, ma'am, sa inyong project?
Ngayon po, nandito yung ating mga architect, and because of the convergence or the whole of nation approach natin, so we are partnering with the Iloilo Provincial Government through their Iloilo Provincial Engineering Office, and hopefully this week we will ano na tayo ng ating establishment ng ating coffee shop, and ongoing po yung site development natin dito sa ating area. And yung ginagawa po natin ngayon is yung pagtatayo ng ating nursery, na habang hinihintay natin yung construction ng coffee shop, yung ating mga former rebels ay magtatayo ng nursery, no, accommodate our tourists for their camping area, and while na nagte-training sila ng barista, no, in preparation sa ating establishment ng ating coffee shop. So our effort ngayon is establishing the hard infra while establishing the soft infra, which is the capacity building ng ating manpower support, which also our former rebels.
Galing naman. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Amo din, sir, bali parking area. Nami.
Ako tasakyan nyo pa. Grace. True nilang. Right?
Ngayon, kailangan natin itong mga ginagawang training, ginagawang lecture, seminar. Marami kung bakit. Kaya naman ating mensahe. Meron tayong ambisyon. Diba? Meron tayong magandang plano.